Hello all, I am Dr. Anand Nayyar, PhD in Computer Science. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Gyan with Anand Nayyar. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned to all the technology videos on Linux administration, open source, Windows administration, embedded systems, Kali Linux, simulations, big data, machine learning, programming, deep learning, IoT, virtualization, unboxings and many more. If you want to know more about the details of my video, you can click on the playlist and you can find more details of the videos on which I make on my YouTube channel. If you want to know more about my research, you can go to Google Scholar and you can search my name Dr. Anand Nayyar and you can find all my research papers over here. And similarly, you can even go to researchgate.net and you can find my detailed profile and even my level of research over here, and you can find all the coordinates of my current research scenarios on this website. And similarly, you can even go to google.com and you can search my name as Anand Nayyar and you can find my website and every coordinates of my research, everything over this search. So I request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned. Gyan with Anand Nayyar, your ultimate resource for technology. Thank you. Hello researchers, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. In my last video of R programming series, I have demonstrated how to install R language and RStudio on Ubuntu. In this video, I will be demonstrating step by step to how to install R language as well as RStudio to create your environment on Windows environment, and I will be using Windows 10 Professional Edition for making the environment of R. So in order to install R, you have to download two packages, that is R and second is RStudio. So you can see on the screen that I have already opened the official website of R, and all the websites which I will be demonstrating in this video, I will be putting the link in the description below. So you can see that R something is over there, and R is a language and environment for statistical computing and graphics, and I will be also coming up with more videos on R. So in order to download R for Windows, so here is the website, that is r-project.org/about.html. So what you have to do under download, you just have to click on this section, that is CRAN, and you can select any of the mirrors of the word, whichever your country is or whatever your nearby country is. So you can click on that link and you can just land over there. So we can just click on the main link, that is https://cloud.r-project.org. So let's click over here and you can find that there are three options, that is download R for Linux, download R for Mac OS and download R for Windows. So what we have to do is you just click on R for Windows and click on base, and you can find that the version that is 3.4.3 for Windows is over there, and it is about 62 megabytes of version. So I have already downloaded R onto my machine. I will be showing you in couple of seconds, so I will not download again. So there is another website which I would like you to aware, which I have already aware in my previous video when I have made you aware regarding how to install R on Ubuntu, that is cran.r-project.org, and this website, that is packages, and you can see all the packages which are available till date which you can integrate into your R environment. And how to integrate, I will be talking in some other videos, coming future videos. And the third, which is most important, in which you will be working, that is the RStudio, and you can see that the official website is rstudio.com. So what you have to do is to just click on products, click on RStudio. So you can see that it is having two options, that is desktop and server. So what you have to do is to just click on RStudio desktop, and you can find that there are two types of edition, open source and commercial license. So for this video and for my coming videos, I will be only using the open source, which is free of cost, and if you want to buy, you can buy for commercial product also. So click on download RStudio desktop, and you can just click on free, that is RStudio open source license, click on download, and you can just click on this link, that is RStudio, that is 1.1.3.8.3, which is available for Windows Vista 7, 8 and 10. So I've already downloaded it and it is about 85 MB of size. So let's come to my desktop. So you can see that there are two softwares which are already downloaded on my machine, which is RStudio and R. So if I right click over here and click on properties, you can see that it is about 78 MB of package, and if I right click on RStudio, you can see that it is about 85 MB of package. So in order to install R or Windows, so the first thing is to install the R package and then we go with the RStudio. So let's double click on R. So let's click on yes. So let's click on the language, that is English. Click on next. So I just change the location to my D drive where I do most of the software installation, or otherwise you can even continue. So click on next. So for user installation, I can just take the core files, 32-bit files, 64-bit, everything which I require. So even you can go with custom installation, whatever you require for that. So click on next. So please specify yes or no, that is your customized startup, or no accept defaults. So for the basic package, I just go with the defaults. So I click on next, and R will be the shortcut and the start menu, etc. So even if you don't want to create a start menu folder, you can just click on this, it will be just installed. So click on next, and I just want to create a desktop shortcut. If you don't want to create a quick launch shortcut, it depends on you. So rest will remain the same. So click on next, and it will start installing. So it will take less than 30 seconds to install because it's a very light package, and it is like simple as you install other packages of Windows. So no rocket science, very easy to install, and it is even very easy to learn our programming language, especially for those who are into machine learning, deep learning, and especially for those who are into statistics, mathematics, etc. So I click on finish. You can see that R is installed for 64-bit machine. So for the better interface, I just go for the RStudio installation. So I double click over here, which is the latest version, and while I was filming this video, the latest versions were 1.1.383 and 3.4.3, but rest the procedure will remain the same when you go for the other versions when it available in the near future. So let's click on yes on the RStudio. So let's click on next. So here we just changed the drive to D drive. So let's click on next. So I just want the RStudio should be there. So I click on install. So you can say that no option is there, just simple 2 clicks and it will be installed. So in a matter of seconds, in less than a minute, my system is fully compatible to run R everything. So I click on finish. So over here I just go to Windows and I just type RStudio. Okay, so I just go back over there. So R is there and RStudio is also there. So I just click on start over there itself. So let me show you the front end of this also. So I have started both the options. So in a couple of seconds it will be started. So there is the R GUI, but I will be not using this type of console, but I will be using the RStudio for my next upcoming videos. So let's minimize it. So you can see that the RStudio is open. So here is the script based window. It is a console window. Here we have the application managers, everything like files, where we have the files, everything. Plots, where we will be plotting some graphs. The packages. So right now it is initializing, so it can take some time. So here we have the help. You can find any topic over here, and the viewer. So here is the global environment, any history, your connections, everything. So if you click on R, you can just go with basic command like this, 2 + 2 = 4, but I will be making some more videos on that itself. So in this video I have demonstrated how to install R and RStudio on Windows 10. So do give this a shot, and I will be surely coming up with more videos on R language in near future, and especially on videos on machine learning and deep learning and statistical computing. So stay tuned. So do like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification on my channel. Thank you so much for watching.